Let's convert 99.375 base 10 to base 8. To do this, we split the decimal fraction into the whole number part and decimal part. Solution. Whole number decimal part. And for the whole number part, you have 99. For the decimal part, you have 0.375. They will convert to base 8 separately. To convert 99 to base 8, we divide repeatedly by 8 until it's no longer divisible. Then we take the remainders upwards. So let's start. 8 goes in 99. 8 goes in 9. That's 1 remainder 1. So we have 19. 8 goes in 19. We have 2, which is 16. Remainder 3. We divide by 8 again. 8. 8 goes in 12. That's 1. Remainder 4. We divide by 8. 8. 8 goes in 1. 0. Remainder 1. Take the remainders upwards. So you have 1, 4, 3 base 8. Now we'll convert the decimal part to base 8. To convert the decimal part to base 8, we multiply by 8 and we keep repeating the process until you have 0 for the decimal part or a periodic number, that is recurring numbers. So we have multiply by 8. 5 multiplied by 8, we have 40. 0, we take 4 to this side. 7 multiplied by 8, you have 56. Plus 4, that's 60. You have 0, we take 6. 3 multiplied by 8, that's 24. Plus 6, you have 30. So you have 0, then you have 3. So we already have 0, 0, 0 at the decimal part. That means we can stop. And 0.375 in base 10 will be the same thing as saying only the digit. Since this is only 1, 3 in base 8. And to find our final answer, we combine the results we have for the whole number and the result we have for the decimal part. Therefore, our 99.375 base 10 equals what we have here, 143.3 base 8. And that's how to convert a number in decimal fraction, a decimal fraction in base 10 to base 8. Thank you.